Hello everyone and welcome to a wonderful cold day here in southern Germany. It's raining. Oh, it's great. I'm gonna tell you what I like and don't like about this eGolf 2017. Let's be nice and start with the pros. I like the ride quality. It's so comfortable. The seats are amazing. You sit in there like butter. When you go over little humps and bumps, it just feels nice. When you go into a corner, you don't feel you're going too fast. It's just such a comfortable ride. The light is full LED. It looks amazing. You can see so far with my car. My high beams are not as bright and I cannot see as far as I can see with this normal light. And the high beams are like, whoa! What I also like in this car is the cruise control smoothness. When driving along in cruise control and you speed up, it just goes very smooth. It doesn't give full power till it goes to that speed. The adaptive cruise control is also really nice. It keeps distance very good. It works perfect. What I also like a lot is this digital screen that you can put your navigation in there in the middle. You can even press a button and then it gets bigger and all your other dials get smaller. Now let's talk about the things I really don't like about this car. Number one, the price. 35,900 euros gives you the full battery, no rent or anything. The battery is yours. You have 7 years of warranty, 180,000 kilometers. But all the extras cost a lot. Even the CCS plug, 630 euros for that. I mean, come on. The battery, it has 35.8 kilowatt hours. I think in a car this size you can already put in a way bigger battery. I mean, the Renault Zoe is way smaller than this and has a 41 kilowatt hour battery. Come on, Volkswagen, you can do better than this. The efficiency on this thing. I mean, I know it's November, it's 7 degrees, it's a bit rainy, it has winter tires on, but still, I mean, I'm driving really slowly, I'm not accelerating hard, I use the regen all the time, and still I can never get under 20 kilowatt per 100 kilometers. I drove other electric cars where it was no problem, even with a bit of fun, accelerating here and there, and driving so that you're not just standing there, but still it was way under 20. And when I step on the pedal a bit, I mean I go up to 26 or more. And then the range is 150, 130. When I turn on the heat fully, it even goes under 100 with a full battery. The view from your driver's seat. I feel like I'm relatively close to the windshield. The windshield is very narrow, the back window is very narrow, and this mirror here is really big. So even when I go into corners, I have to look under or to the side of the mirror so I can see other cars and where I'm going. I think that the whole car is just like it's crushed. The beeping. I know that new cars have to beep all the time. Everything beeps. You turn it on, it beeps. You change the gear, you put it in reverse, it beeps. Everything beeps. Why? Why does everything have to beep? What is going on here? Be quiet. The gear change. It's 2017. Why do I have a handle for the gear change? Why not just have a button? Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please Please like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day and take care.